Hi everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy hairstyles. For that you have to tie the hairs by dividing it like this, fix it by making the plaits and then tie it on the right side and its hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on both the sides by dividing the hairs. Now rotate the hairs as shown in the video. Pull out the hairs from the sides and the top little bit as we are doing. After rotating it, pull out the hairs. Now make the plaits by dividing the hairs like this. Pull out the hairs again from the sides. Now fold it and fix it by rolling it upward and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, divide the hairs. Now pull out the hairs from the sides little bit. Make the plaits on both sides like this. Pull out the hairs little bit from the sides as shown in the video. Roll it upward and fix it. And your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs on the back and tie it like this. Now rotate it. After that, tie all the hairs. Now divide it from the between. Roll it upward and fix it using this bun clip. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie the plaits on it and roll it around the bun as shown in the video. Fix it by pulling it out from the sides like this. Tie it properly, secure it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this on the back and then rotate it. Divide the hairs into two parts. Now fix it on the alternative sides on the upper side like this. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie all the hairs like this and divide it from the between. Now roll it upward and fix it using the hair clutch and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Roll it upward and fix it like this. Tie it in the bottom as well like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back on the alternative sides one by one like this. Now tie all the hairs, divide it from the between, roll it upward and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now roll the hairs and fold it upward like this. Keep rolling the hairs and fix it by rolling it upward like this. Now tie all the hairs on the right side, fold it and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs, roll them together like this first by dividing it. Now fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After that, tie all the hairs, fix it by dividing the hairs, fold it upward, put a hair clutch and it's ready. Next, tie all the hairs, rotate it. Now fix it by folding it like this, tie it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.